Should I paint or do flooring first? Dear friends, when you're remodeling a house or room, one of the biggest decisions you'll need to make is whether to paint or install floors first. If you paint now, you risk damage when the floors go in. But if you start with floors, you have to worry about paint dripping on them. Quite a bit of thought needs to go into the proper order of flooring and painting, and we're outlining how to find the best approach for your project below. Why should I do my flooring before I paint my walls? One important reason to install new flooring first is that when you change flooring, the baseboards will often need to change position. For example, if you switch from a thick carpet to a modern laminate floor, your baseboards will need to be lowered by 1/2 or 3/4 of an inch. If you have already painted the wall, this change will ruin the finish, and you will have to repaint. Another significant consideration is wall damage. While carpet installation is notorious for causing scrapes, nicks and gouges on walls, any type of flooring is a hazard as it goes in. Even laminate floors require a mallet, and tile involves cement and trowels. Avoid the frustration of seeing a big scratch in your new paint, and do your flooring before you paint. So how do I protect my flooring when I paint? After you have installed your new flooring and adjusted the height of the baseboards, protect the floor with painter's plastic or a good tarp. Use tape to secure the edges along the walls, being careful to create a straight, tidy line. If your new floor is carpet, put a wide strip of painter's tape on the carpet, around the perimeter of the room. Then use a putty knife to tuck the taped carpet fibers under the edge of the baseboard. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.